In this video, I'm going to show you how to work a blossom bobble. This is a bobble based off of a stitch found in a Japanese stitch dictionary called the Japanese Knitting Stitch Bible by Hitomi Shida, translated by Gail Rome. It's a really excellent resource for different cool stitches. This is a variation on the 3-stitch or the bobble worked from 3 rows below. I changed it a little bit, not really on purpose, to be resolved in 1 row rather than over several rows, and I really like the result. It's an easy stitch to work and it creates a little bit of textural interest in your project. You work this on a background of reverse stockinette, so on the purl side. It can be done in the round or flat because it's done over just 1 row. It's really easy to do anywhere you want, this little flower bud looking bobble. So you're going to work across to wherever your bobble is supposed to be. And then when you get there, you're going to work 3 rows down. And to find the right spot, I just count purl bumps. I'm going to count down 2 purl bumps to the correct spot. So 1, 2 purl bumps. You need to make sure your yarn is in the back, your working yarn. So you count down your 1, 2 stitches, and then you're going to insert your right hand needle into that hole just below that 2nd purl bump. And then you're going to, as if to knit it, pull the yarn through that hole. And you want to have a little bit of length there, not a ton, just a bit. And then you're going to do 1 yarn over. And you're going to insert your needle back into that same hole. Knit again. And then you're going to pull this stitch off of the needle, just drop it like that. Now you're going to move those 3 stitches you just made onto your left hand needle. Just slide them on. And now you're going to slip these 2 first stitches knitwise. Slip knitwise, like so. Knit the 3rd stitch. And then pass those 2 over. Pass slipped stitches over. So pick them up. You can do them one at a time or together, whatever works more comfortably for you. I do them both at once. And then just pass them over that last stitch. And that's it. Your bobble's done. I will demonstrate another. This yarn is kind of rustic, so you can see some variation in the thickness there, but that's just the quality of the yarn. I'm going to purl across to my next bobble location. Okay, and so I'm going to move my working yarn to the back behind my needle. I'm going to go down 2 purl bumps. So 1, 2, go right into that hole right there. Knit it once, pull it through, 1 yarn over, knit it again, pull it through, and then drop that stitch. Slip all 3 stitches onto your left hand needle. Slip these 2 stitches knitwise. Knit the next stitch, and then pass the slipped stitches over. And that's it. And then on the next row, you just work along as normal. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I hope you like it.